Hey guys, welcome to another video for the OnePlus 5 on smartphone tutorials. But first and foremost, a very happy new year to all of you, and thank you very much for all the support that you've shown to this particular channel in 2018. Now in 2019, I'm not gonna make a lot of promises, but yes, I will try to be as regular as possible, and I will try to bring a lot of exclusive content when it comes to routing, flashing and trying new things for your device. For now, today's video, as you might have read from the title, we are going to install Cr-Droid Android based on Android 9 Pie, that is for Cheeseburger. The name is OnePlus 5. So this is the first ROM that I'm going to flash on this particular phone. I will be doing ROM reviews, so if you have another device like any other phone like 6 or 6T maybe, and that has an official Cr-Droid, then maybe you can relate that similar features would be there and stuff like that. But for now, for the next 2 or 3 days, we will have installs and previews just like this one. So we will install the ROM, I will show you the installation process, and then I will share my first impressions. That is what this series is all about on smartphone tutorials. But before we begin, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. At the same time, here's a card to my second channel, that is Kratos390. Go ahead and check that channel out as well. Now, without further ado, hello awesome people. Welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let's get started. Alright, so looks like we are all set to install Cr-Droid Android on this particular phone, that is Cheeseburger, the OnePlus 5. Now, basic stuff that is needed, of course, you need to have an unlocked bootloader with a custom recovery like TWRP installed. I'm using the one by Codeworks. If you need access to it, let me know. I'll throw in a link for that in the description. You need the ROM files that have been copied to your phone's internal memory, and a very important thing to remember here is you're doing unofficial stuff, you're doing stuff which voids your warranty. Although this phone is more than a year old, but there are chances that you might damage your phone if you don't do it properly and stuff. But if you follow the video to the T, you should not really have a problem. At the same time, please also ensure you have more than 50% battery and you backed up all the information, like all the data on your phone, because you might lose some information. Some ROMs require you to format the internal memory and stuff. What I've done here, well, I've cleared up everything, internal memory and everything is deleted, wiped, decrypted and stuff. So make sure you do all the necessary things before you follow this particular video. Now the things that are required over here are of course the ROM, GApps, Magisk if you want root. I'm not going to root it, and the firmware, the Oxygen OS firmware, which is based on Android Pie now. So let's begin with the installation. The first thing to do is go to wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik cache system data. So we won't be wiping internal storage, of course, because there are files that we have there. So swipe to wipe. Once that is done, go to install, and the first thing that we will install is firmware. Swipe to confirm flash. Okay. Now the next thing that we will flash is of course Cr-Droid Android. You can see that this build is dated 31st of December 2018. So this is one of the very latest versions. So select that file and swipe to confirm flash. Now this of course is a ROM, so it will take maybe 2 to 3 minutes to flash. So please be patient and wait for the flash to complete. And after this, we will go ahead and flash Google Apps, and then we should be good to go. Now remember, in case you want root, after flashing Google Apps, the last thing that you need to flash is Magisk. And in case you are decrypted, you need to flash the no verity file, which ensures that your phone stays decrypted. Alright, so looks like the ROM has been flashed. Now we'll go back to the home screen, install, and we will flash open GApps. Swipe to confirm flash. Now again, these are Google Apps, so they will take 2 to 3 minutes for the flash to complete. Alright, so Google Apps have been flashed. So the last thing that we will flash is the no verity file to ensure that we stay decrypted. So select this file, swipe to confirm flash, and it says patch applied successfully. So that means the procedure to flash this particular ROM is now complete. All we need to do is reboot system and do not install. Now of course this is a first boot, so as always the first boot will take some time, maybe even more than 2 to 3 minutes. But again, this is a OnePlus 5 with a Snapdragon 835, so I think it should not take a very long time, unlike some Xiaomi devices which do take a very long time. While it boots up, I have a question for you guys. I was thinking of swapping this device, that is a OnePlus 5, for a Poco F1. How would that be? Would you like to see Poco F1 instead of OnePlus 5 on this channel? Give this video a thumbs up if yes, and also mention in the comment section under the 20K segment which is the phone that you would like to see custom ROM videos for. Now remember, when you say that, there should be custom ROMs available for that particular phone, and there should be decent development so that I can make videos for you guys. Meanwhile, we'll wait for the ROM to boot up, and talking about the boot animation, it's a pretty simplistic boot animation that we have. Nothing fancy, basic Google boot animation. And this ROM also allows you to flash the OnePlus camera. That is an add-on. So for now, I'm not flashed it. I will flash it later, and maybe I will, use it in the full review or something like that. But for now, let's wait for the phone to boot up, and then we can quickly have a first look at Cr-Droid for this particular phone. Alright, looks like we are on the start screen, so we will just skip this. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are on the home screen of Cr-Droid for the OnePlus 5, and as always, this is an AOSP based ROM. So nothing fancy going on here. The brightness slider is there. It gives you a real-time preview and stuff like that. So the ROM looks very minimalistic. Let me just adjust the brightness for you guys. Does this look better? Yes, definitely it does. So going to the app drawer, you would notice that there aren't many apps that are available. So we have just some basic apps like the camera and other things. And as I mentioned, you can flash the OnePlus camera in this particular ROM. We will do that later. For now, if we go to settings, it's basically almost very close to the stock Android Pie settings. But what happens with custom ROMs, this is where the magic happens. Now this does say Cr-Droid settings, and if you're new to this channel, you will like it, because in my other ROM videos, this particular screen has made its appearance quite a lot of times. But if you're someone who's never flashed a custom ROM and stuff like that, well guys, let me tell you, this is what you should be looking at, and this is why custom ROMs are a lot of fun. So you have stuff like status bar icons, clock style. You can actually decide where to keep your clock, and you can customize it. You can enable or disable the voice over LTE icon. You can decide the battery status style. You can have a battery bar, and you can have different colors for that. You can also choose to show the logo of this particular ROM. Double tap to sleep. The gestures are there. You can customize quick settings as well. And then when you go to lock screen, you have the temperature unit, you have battery unit, you have basically face auto unlock is also there, and all the other options are there. The recent screen can be switched. You can switch to the AOSP style. Let's restart the user interface. Okay, there you go. That switches basically to AOSP style, and now let's do it once again and see what does it look like. There you have it. So that is that, and then you can enable or disable the navigation bar. I don't think you need the navigation bar because this is a 16:9 phone. Buttons, you can disable, enable the hardware keys. Advanced restart is there, and look at the amount of options you have in Cr-Droid Android for the OnePlus 5. You can also tweak the user interface. You have ambient display. So let's see if always on actually works or not. So one neat feature is that always on display is working. Double tap to wake is working. You have hand wave and other things. You have pocket mode as well. So you can have flashlight, blink on your calls. You can have heads up notifications. You can customize sounds like camera sound, charging sounds. You can enable or disable them. You have suspend actions, toast icons, and then it says about Cr-Droid. So let me tell you, this ROM for this particular phone, as of now at least, it looks very feature rich. Looks like a very promising ROM, and at the same time they have a Telegram group, and this is the official ROM for the OnePlus 5 as well. Now let's quickly go back and go to system. Now what you also see over here is that you have digital well-being, which is integrated, which is normally not available in OxygenOS Pie for the stable version and stuff, but it does work. It is there, and the quick tiles and all the Android Pie features are of course there. As you can see, the volume slider is just next to the volume rocker and stuff like that. Let's quickly open the camera and see if the camera works. We will test the OnePlus camera later. And they seem to be using a different sort of a camera over here. So let's switch to the front cam. Yeah, so the camera does work. I will test out the features later, and voice over LTE is working. For example, if I were to call the customer care number, you would notice that it works just fine. There you have it. So overall the ROM is very smooth, very snappy, very minimalistic. You have a ton of features for this particular boy here. I'm going to be using it as my daily driver maybe for 1 or 2 days, and then I will give you guys a full review of this particular ROM. But for now, this was the first look at the install and preview of Cr-Droid based on Android Pie for the OnePlus 5. If you like the video, guys, give this video a like and let me know in the comment section what type of videos would you like to see, because there are a lot of videos that are going to come up for this device. For now, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials. Until the next one, keep smiling, take care, goodbye.